In late January, USC Technologies announced it had acquired the cloud-based content delivery platform, products, customer base, and intellectual property of VendScreen Incorporated. Here to talk more about the acquisition is Maeve Duska. So Maeve, can you tell us a little bit about what factors led to the acquisition?
USA Technologies has long been a believer in the power of consumer engagement. We were one of the first to offer a loyalty program for the unattended retail market, and we knew that bridging the gap between the mobile phone and the machine by using an interactive screen would really add tremendous value for our customers and partners. So it really became a buy versus build discussion. VendScreen was already certified on our network. They had a built-in customer base. And when they signaled that they were open to a combined company, we knew that it would add instant value and really a proven, road-tested, rich content delivery system immediately to our portfolio. So it just made sense.
What does this acquisition mean for current VendScreen customers and even current USAT customers?
We wanted to make sure that in the transition, current VendScreen customers had no disruption in service. So there's a lot of going on behind the scenes, as you can imagine, as we transition the two companies together. But VendScreen customers will continue to be supported by their VendScreen team for now. And for USA Technologies, it gives us a West Coast footprint, which we think is going to provide better services and support to our existing customers. And for VendScreen customers, they get all of the power of our technical support team, our customer service team, and our sales team to really do what we hope is provide a better, broader support system for them as well.
What do you envision for the future partnership in this channel?
One of the things that we knew would bring value to our portfolio right away was this content delivery system and interactive screen. So when we thought about what VendScreen had and what they offered, we knew that everybody in the value chain was going to benefit. So the vending operator, CPG companies, payment partners, the account location, and the consumer. They all had something to gain from the addition of a screen. So when we think about traditional retail and self-service unattended, and we think about today's environment, we realize that the lines between traditional retail, online shopping, and attended retail are all very blurred. We're all used to using our smartphone. Consumers are so comfortable with it that getting information and communicating and making purchases that they're really looking for that same experience everywhere they go. So it puts vending operators in what we think is a really enviable position. They have the real estate, they have the captive audience. Adding technology like an interactive screen and cashless payments draws more consumers in to push up sales and participation. And VendScreen is already doing a lot of really cool things. So they offered the nutritional information, which we know is increasingly important given the FDA disclosure mandate goes into effect in 2016. So I know operators are worried about that and thinking about how they're going to solve for that. They already have the ability to advertise, to drive sales and new higher priced items. They already have the ability to do promotion codes and discounts and refunds, all of which we think add tremendous instant value to USAT customers. So what we think the combined partnership is going to do is really enable our vision and their vision to come together and add even more value onto that value chain. So we certainly don't see those things going away. What we think we bring to the table is the ability to build on what they've already done with things like our More program, doing product-specific promotions right to consumers either at the machine or to their mobile phone through the loyalty app. So their product won't go away. What we believe we can bring to the table is really to kind of take it to the next level and to continue to add on what they already built with new innovative services.
What do you see for the future as far as the devices?
We will continue to sell both the VendScreen and the ePort system. I think right now there is an increasing interest and need for the screen depending on the location. So our feeling is there's going to be certain accounts where it's a no-brainer. There are certain operators who are very interested in doing some consumer engagement, and the screen makes it a no-brainer. But there'll continue to be a market for just the cashless payment device in the marketplace as well. So we will continue to sell both products